एक्ट होगा, मतलब द अमेंडमेंट बिल, उसको हो जाएंगे और विंटर सेशन के बाद बजट सेशन तक होगा तो और 6 महीने हो जाएंगे. तो you have lost so much of precious time, but despite that, I don't think we are learning. Still we are losing time.
Mr. Iyer, where do you think is the problem? Because the moment we talk about land or we talk about issues like environment or even mining sector, for example, the stakeholders we talk
power generation. अगर हम पावर जनरेशन की बात करें फ्रॉम 9th 5-year प्लान टू द 11th 5-year प्लान, हमने देखा जो हमने टारगेट सेट किया. मान लीजिए 10th 5-year प्लान में 42,000 मेगावाट का हमने टारगेट सेट किया, हमने अचीव किया 21,000 मेगावाट. 11th 5-year प्लान में 78,700 हमने रिवाइज किया, 62,314 मेगावाट. अब हम कह रहे हैं 50,000 मेगावाट के आसपास लाएंगे. आपको लगता है ये बहुत ही क्रूशियल सेक्टर होगा कम से कम अगर आपको ग्रोथ को सस्टेन करना है, खासकर पावर जनरेशन?
Yes, I mean, if you see the recent statements, people say that this year Diwali is going to be very dark Diwali. I hope it is not going to be the dark, but you are right. I think the power sector is one thing which is really been neglected for quite some time. Maybe roads have been addressed to some extent, but the power sector is something which has been kept in dark for quite some time. I don't know if it is a problem with the central government. I think this is a subject of the state government. You need to have more interest.
There are three partners: state, private and central government. लेकिन अभी तीनों को आप देखेंगे तो बहुत ज्यादा काम प्राइवेट को छोड़ के बाकी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का तो बहुत बुरा हाल है. आप अगर सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का ले इस बार फिर भी तेजी देखने को मिले.
Yes, this is a very serious problem, and we also had burnt our hands in terms of privatization of power generation. I think Enron was one. Dabol was really a big example where you really don't encourage any private investment in this particular sector. But in terms of distribution also, there are so many issues. Like only success stories are in Delhi. I mean, but not much is happening in terms of other places.
Well, in this economic editors conference, we also heard concerns of the railway minister and, in fact, even the agricultural minister regarding the production, of course, reducing the MSPs, increasing the MSPs and things like that. But interesting was also to look at the oil minister's statement. Mr. Reddy very clinically, he said that there will be fragile growth of the, of course, the sector as a whole, and certainly it would be too much to expect any sort of cuts in those fuel price hikes.
Yeah, because it's a very tricky thing. You continue to have subsidies in in diesel of 6 rupees plus, in LPG of 265 rupees plus, and even in currency of about 25 rupees plus. So if you have to align these the prices of all these products to market rates, you have to increase prices. And then if you have to increase prices, then you are battling inflation, so you don't want to increase prices. But if you don't increase prices, then you are increasing the subsidy levels of the government. Or
if you see the cost of production is only not even more than 30 rupees per liter. The maximum price is because of the taxes. Because the taxes. In fact, what's happening is.
मोदी साहब, अगर आप अपने बजट को देख रहे हैं, उसमें रेवेन्यू कलेक्शन देख लीजिए, उसमें सबसे ज्यादा पैसा आपका इन्हीं प्रोडक्ट से आता है, तो आप इसको भी दरकिनार नहीं कर सकते. बट स्टेट की अगर इनकम भी है वो भी डिपेंड करती है आप इस सेक्टर से कितना पैसा ले.
But you cannot really depend only on one sector. I mean, you cannot push everything only on the the central government. You also have to share. In fact, one positive thing that we have seen in the recent period, in the last round of diesel hike, some of the states came back and said we are cutting the taxes. I think that's one of the reasons they don't want to put the petrol sector into the GST. Okay, and states also have to share some responsibility in terms of tackling inflation. Not everything should be thrown on.
Fine. So economic management means a lot of responsibility sharing, and of course smart moves at this right time. Thanks very much. Yeah, that's right. Thanks very much, gentlemen, for talking to us. Quite a pleasure having you here. Well, certainly a lot of management is required, but of course, an overall growth in all these sectors is something that is a part of the reform agenda for the government, and a lot needs to be done in that direction. So that's all we have for you in this edition of Insight. Thanks very much for watching us. We'll leave you with this weather report.
Hold on. I will.